So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity, including the internship. So if you are the freshers looking for some important job opportunity, then you can follow this video. Okay, so first important opportunity that is from JAR. They are hiring for the role of SDT1 and job location is Bengaluru, and this is a full-time entry-level role, you can say. So it is a good kind of startup company. Okay, and what is the role? So they are looking for software development engineer in test 1 to join our team in JAR, and your responsibility will be to perform manual testing, design, maintain, and execute test cases. So who are legal for this opportunity? You should have some knowledge in API integration in mobile apps, then only you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, so 2024 and 2025 can apply since if you have experience. Remember friends, if you are fresher, no need to worry, this is the important opportunity for you. That is AI engineering intern, Pune, Maharashtra. So guide point, this is also kind of startup company, and these were roles and responsibility, and you are eligible for this. So you should be pursuing or recently completed BS or MS in AI, computer science, mathematics, or related quantitative field. And if you are from IIT or NIT, then this will also increase your chances. But if you are from of other college, means tier 3 college, also you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. And these are the some requirements. You should have knowledge of NLP, and you can say the AI/ML knowledge is required. Dear friends, keep applying for off-campus drive, and congratulations to those candidates who have been selected for the TCS off-campus drive. Okay, so we have already posted lots of videos related to that. So if you have been selected and want to schedule the mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. We will provide you complete guidance and support which will help you to crack this interview. So all the best to the candidates who have the exam for the. Okay, so next important news that is from the Hexaware. They are hiring for the role of junior management training role 2026, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So I have already provided update for that. So this is just reminder that application will close within in I think 3 months. So you can apply for that. So who are eligible for this? Just go through complete job in the description. You will get idea. So a student must be enrolled in 2-year full-time MBA program, and you should have 60% or CGPA. So if you are in MBA program, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Friends, again I'm saying apply for off-campus type with updated resume. Okay, the only reason you are not getting selected because you are not updating for updated resume. So next opportunity that is from the Northern Coalfield Limited NCL officially announced the recruitment notification, and they are 577 vacancy. So they have announced for the various things: technician, pharmacist, staff nurse, oversee, and civil engineer. Okay, so if you are from that, then you can apply for this. You can just go through complete notification link. This is a kind of government job. Okay. Next important ability that is from the sparq. They also announced the internship or summer research internship. Okay, so especially if you are in the 2026, then you should apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, so sparq summer internship program, and don't miss this. Okay, moving to next, that is from the smart. They are hiring for the role of corporate IT intern contractual basis. So if you want to work on these, means a kind of a support job is there. So technical support, Microsoft support, customer services, issue documentations, and these are the responsibilities. So who are eligible for that? You should have bachelor's or diploma degree in information technology, computer science, or related field, and you should have and this is a kind of work from home. So if you should have the good internet connection and willingness to learn, and you should have communicate with your colleagues. Next important from the bride, they are having for the role of SD intern, and again 2026, 2025, all can apply for this wonderful opportunity. And these are the job summary and skills requirement. Just to go through it, you should have just at least one project in web or mobile, and you can just apply for this because this company have around 1 billion means valuation, so you can apply for this. This is a good company. Moving to next opportunity that is from the Lucas TV. They are hiring for the role of this is a walk-in drive alert and trainee role for 2026 engineer, and job location is Chennai. So if you are residing near Chennai, then you can walk in there. These are the venue and date. Okay, so 6 to 18th you can basically walk in, and these are the benefits you will be getting. So 2026 pass out batch only earlier for this wonderful opportunity. So don't miss this if you are residing there. Okay. Coming to next opportunity that is from the cloudeagle AI. They are looking for final year and fresh graduates. This is 142, and this is an internship. So duration will be 6 months and location 100% remote. So if you are interested in cloud technology and all those, then just go through complete job in the description. You will get idea about this. Next important that is from the UIDAI. So last to apply now extended till 11/5. So for the post of assistant director, so you should have means if you have some experience, then you can apply for this on OAPL. That is the ONGC Petrol Edition Limited. They have announced a kind of internship with there. So duration will be 6 months, and these are the stipend and things are there. So if you're interested, you can apply. This is a government kind of internship. So junior intern, assistant intern, and qualification ITI diploma in 12th candidates are eligible for this. So friends, hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask, and you can also apply for this software engineer intern, some internship from the amnify, and you can directly apply from the LinkedIn. Okay, so freshers are eager for this. So कोई भी query feel free to ask here. We are always here to help you, and make sure to subscribe us. And we can connect on LinkedIn or Insta, Facebook, whatever platform you are wanting. If you have any query, feel free to ask. I will try to reply for sure as soon as possible. So मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.